Today, huh?
It was a little bit warm, but moving into this evening, our temperatures are coming down. And look at this beautiful view. We saw these cirrus clouds start to move in north to south across our area, and it's setting up just this beautiful look as we move into the sunset time. 82 right now, and actually reporting mostly cloudy skies, although a little misleading because those are all those high cirrus clouds kind of mixing with some blue sky if you look a little farther up. We do have a nice evening ahead. It will be mostly sunny and warm for Sunday. Pretty nice, dry, but warming weather coming this week. Not so October-like, at least what most of us would think of for October, but it does look like a cold front will be on the way potentially next Saturday, a week from today. So we will see, but certainly nothing coming in the next few days. Current temperatures in the lower 80s, a few of you upper 70s. And here are those cirrus clouds filtering in north to south. And as we zoom out, you can see that they're kind of stretching with this pattern with our high right here off to the east and northeast of us, and then a low pressure area off to the northwest of us. And what we're going to see in the next few days is that low, this is a trough of low pressure, getting close, but our high pressure here just surges back. So that front is going to get close, not actually make it, and then we'll have to wait until the end of this coming week, and again maybe Friday into Saturday, to get that high to recede out to the east, and this next trough to dig in our cold front, setting us up maybe for Saturday and into Sunday, although models are still a little iffy on exact timing and exactly how cool it will get. They're off by several degrees, whether it will be kind of lower 80s for highs, maybe a bit higher, or possibly a bit lower, we will see. But tonight we're looking for lows North Shore in the 60s, South Shore maybe 68 to about 70 degrees for early tomorrow. Highs tomorrow about 88. So yeah, not super October-y. Those of you joining us from Ashland, you can expect a warm, overall a pretty pleasant kind of day tomorrow, but certainly above average. Our average high right now is 83. Today we hit our high at the airport at 87, and that will be the trend, these upper 80s for the next few days. Here's your planner on Sunday. Again, not the worst day, but a little warm in the afternoon. Lots of sun too, so remember your sunscreen if you're out and about tomorrow. But really no rain, and not much of a rain chance at all until the end of the week. Note our dew points will be edging up just a little bit, and it will be turning just a touch muggier. Not terrible, but you'll probably notice the next few days kind of on the fringes of that humid, muggy sort of feel, but still pretty pleasant in the evenings and the mornings. Satellite and radar imagery showing in the tropics, or this is the Atlantic Basin, but it's really right off the coast of the U.S. There is some activity here with a low pressure area. It is not tropical, but there is a medium chance that that could possibly take on a few tropical characteristics. So the National Hurricane Center giving that area a 50% chance of development, likely into a subtropical depression or storm. And there's kind of a brief window, really only over the next day or so, that it will do that. So we will see. But if it did, it would get the name Wanda. It would be the last name on the list, and again would be sort of a hybrid storm. Regardless, though, there will be some breezy conditions and also maybe a couple inches of rain, maybe even a little bit more in some areas on the coast of North Carolina. As for our 7-day forecast, we're looking, you can see, getting warm, maybe even scraping near that 90-degree mark toward the end of the week in spots. Friday, we have a chance for a few showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms, as it looks like that front will be approaching and moving through. And for now, we'll keep our Saturday temperature in the lower 80s, and we'll tweak it as we get into the rest of the week and get a better idea of this coming front.
A high-scoring affair in the River Bell Classic, plus the Saints search for their first win in the nation's capital since 2009. We look ahead to Sunday's game from the Washington football team.